Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time we will be solving a C++ program. So the problem statement is like how to find the area of triangle. So for this problem we need the area of triangle formula, that is we all know that half into base into height. So here we see that the two variables are there. One is base and the other is height. So like we will be taking those base and height, those variables as the user input. Like the user will be entering those values and then we will calculate the area of triangle. Okay, so for this problem, like I will be using the VS Code. Okay, so just let's open the VS Code. Yeah, so after opening that VS Code, you just first create the file. File name you can put anything, but here like I will be writing the temp.cpp. Okay, that's my file name. After writing the file name, okay, after creating that file, just start writing your code. Okay, so for that problem, what we need to do is that we will be taking two user inputs value, like we will be creating two variables. Okay, so just write the code. So here I will be taking the two variables, one is like base, int base, and the another is height. Okay, yeah. Now the third variable also I will be taking, let's just take as a float data type. Because why I'm taking the float data type, because the answer may be like the answer can be decimal form or in the other form. So I'm taking the answer as a float data type. Okay, yeah. So after that, just take the inputs from the user. So for that, write the base. Similarly like that. Height. Okay. And see. So correct. Yeah. So after writing that, now calculate the area of the triangle, that is answer is equal to half into base and multiply by height. Okay. This answer variable will store our answer that is coming after the multiplication of base into height will be half. Okay, so let's just print out this answer variable. So for the printing of the answer variable, we will use the cout. Okay, so just write okay, answer is like that, and then ans, or we can put and return 0. So here one mistake. Okay, that's the problem. So here what I did is that I just took the base as a user input and then height as the user input and then printing the answer there. That's the whole program. Let's save it first and then run it. Okay, you see the what will be the output. Okay, so here it is asking for the base. Let's give the base 5 unit, and then for the height let's give it 8 unit. Okay, and then just wait 8 5 20. Okay, so if we put those values, like base is 5 and the height is 8, 40 divided by 2 is 20. So our answer is correct. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. Okay, you can also put any other values also, like for if I took the another variables, like if I run it again, and then if I took the base value as 100 suppose, and the height is 200, so the answer is 1000. So if we see that 2000 into 1000 and divided by half, the answer will be like okay 1000 sorry. So that's all.